Hey guys, it's Mark here and welcome back to another video, and today's video is gonna be actually quite interesting, and this was actually going on during 6.6, which I actually was aiming to buy the Poco phone and M3 Pro in yellow, but apparently it was really out of stock really quick, which makes me feeling sad and down. Then I was thinking like, okay, probably I just scroll through and see what other stuff I can find and can get. And I came across a Samsung Galaxy Note Edge, and it was the first curved edge phone ever released from Samsung, and I was happy to get my hands on it. But although this phone is actually from Japan, I actually don't really mind having it. Probably I can flash it to Malaysia, but without further ado, this is the one that arrived, and let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so basically this is how it arrived. It looks pretty bad. I hope the phone is fine. And let's open it up. Bubble wrap, which is great. I can see the phone itself. Oh, it's actually just right here. We can just open up the wrapper. Okay, I would say quite well packed, I guess. And it's kind of hot, I guess, because doing the whole shipping transportation part, I guess should be fine. Ooh, it looks pretty great. It really brings back a lot of memory. Look at the edge. And the power button is placed on top. It's gonna take some time to get used to it. And there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is something I'm always looking forward to. And S Pen, and sadly the speaker grill is at the back, so I'm like actually quite fine, but let's power it on. Docomo. Okay, I definitely need to flash it to Malaysia, but I don't even know whether that's possible, but if it's possible, I'll let you guys know, probably in a video soon. Ooh, My Galaxy Note Edge. It's written here, My Galaxy Note Edge. That's pretty cool. Damn. Oh, it's on. Probably I need to do a reset. Yeah, I probably need to do some reset as well. And you can see here there's like a lot of apps running around, but I mean there's a lot of bloatware though. Seriously, look at all these Docomo stuff. Definitely need a reset. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Oh, look at, oh wait, it's gone. Oh wait, it's that. Look at the center of the screen. Oh my god. Definitely need to remove bloatwares. Flashing it to Malaysia software definitely is a must for me right now. Okay, thank you guys very much for watching. I definitely enjoyed the experience of opening this up, and I'm glad to be able to do it with you guys as well. And this is very interesting, and it's my first Note Edge phone that is this wide, and I'm looking forward to play around with it for a few weeks. I guess few weeks or maybe this week and see how it goes. So ciao!